नमस्कार। डे टू ड्रीम ग्रोथ मैटर्स फोरम में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपके साथ मौजूद हैं बेंगलुरु एडिशन के साथ। इस स्पेशल सीरीज में हम एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की इंस्पायरिंग कहानियों को फीचर कर रहे हैं और उनके माध्यम से दूसरे कारोबारियों के साथ बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस शेयर कर रहे हैं। वहीं इस चैलेंजिंग चुनौतीपूर्ण एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रोथ की अपॉर्चुनिटीज को भी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। टेक्नोलॉजी एडॉप्शन हो या इनोवेशन या मार्केट लिंकेजेस, इन सब पर हम खास करके फोकस कर रहे हैं। सो वेलकम टू डेयर टू ड्रीम ग्रोथ मैटर्स फोरम बेंगलुरु राउंड। और डे टू ड्रीम टॉक के लिए अब हम अपने पहले एस्टीम्ड स्पीकर को इनवाइट करना चाहेंगे। ये मशीन टूल्स इंडस्ट्री को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। इसका काफी क्रूशियल रोल रहता है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में। यहां तक भी कहा जाता है कि ये मदर मशीन्स हैं, क्योंकि इनकी वजह से दूसरी मशीन्स प्रॉपर्ली वर्क कर पाती हैं। So let's welcome Mr. Indradev Babu, Managing Director of UCAM and Vice President of IMTMA.
I'm a mechanical engineer and I used to work in Bharat Electronics, and one day there was an opportunity to start an ancillary unit, and by sequence of events I got the allotment, and but the only thing that was good was that I was a good engineer and nothing else. I knew nothing, and I started an ancillary unit to machine parts for Bharat Electronics. So I took a lot of loan and invested, and the business went on. Second time is even more difficult, and there was no money to pay, and my wife had to beg and borrow. But that was the turning point, and I said I must learn. And one of the first things is I went to Institute of Chartered Accountants and learned about what is business. Though I started the company in 1986, it was only in 2000 that I made to break even and have started to move. And we got our first plant in Pina in the year 2005. And in the next few years, we built our plant in Aerospace, and which is a greenfield plant, and it's quite modern, and we're proud of it. My business is a subsystem of a machining center, which is very niche, and hence growth was a big challenge. So export became a necessity, and the need to enter international markets. All our businesses were into niche areas of market, means smaller business, but the operating margins are higher. And this is needed because we need to invest in R&D and also promotional needs. We need to market. Our own salespeople, they were always blaming that I have orders, but production is not able to deliver it. Contributing to 50% of the problem, he was shocked. The head of sales said, no, I don't believe it. So I looked for data. Then when we found out this problem and started to put metrics in place, we found that we could bring down our delivery from 40 days to 4 days. Our on-time delivery really moved on, and today we are in a different. We are able to beat the entire international competition.
How important is it in life at times to take risks also?
When I left my secure job in Bharat Electronics in the year 1986, so I said, look, I have the confidence, and I can find another job. My company needs to take risks in terms of what we are going to do. How flexible are we to move to another area of business, because the scenario is changing. EVs are going to come up, and engine and transmissions may die. So how are we prepared for it? So we need to invest.
तो ये था डे टू ड्रीम ग्रोथ मैटर्स फोरम का बेंगलुरु राउंड। सभी खास मेहमानों का पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए शुक्रिया। अब हम आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे गुवाहाटी में। फिलहाल नमस्कार, गुड बाय।